Okay, everyone, so this is my room in 7 Days Premium Hotel. It's nearby airport, so yeah, this is the entrance. Here is the wardrobe. There's the safe. And there's my bag. There are 2 rows. Luggage. This is a tiny little bathroom. Cozy and sufficient, I believe. So, hey everyone. And here are 2 beds, as you can see. I wanted just one, but... And here is the view, basically. There is the airport right there. And, so you open it like this. Here you go. So, this is the whole area. And there's the pool as well. This is Bangkok. And there you can see an Airbus A320. So, yep. This is what it is. There's the MRT. So, yep.